Greetings students. Today our new chapter, real numbers. In real numbers, Euclid division lemma. In this method, we find the HCF. In our earlier classes, we have also find the HCF. पता है ना हमें पहली क्लासेस में भी हमने HCF निकाला था टू नंबर्स का, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 75 और 45. हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट? 75 फैक्टर्स प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करते थे 3 इंटू 5 इंटू 5. 45 इज 3 इंटू 5 इंटू 3, और वी कैन राइट द 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 5. So in this, what is the highest? HCF means highest common factor. In this two numbers, there is the two common factor 3 and 5. So 5 is the HCF? No. HCF is the product of the common numbers. Highest common numbers का product होता है. So HCF क्या है? Product of the lowest power of common number. So in this method, this is the 15. Now we think about कि अब हम क्या सोचें कि क्या ज़रूरत है जब हमें आता है, तो what is the use of Euclid division lemma? So in this there are the larger number. We use the larger number. For example, another example, 1, 2, 5, 7, 6 and 4052. Now find the HCF by Euclid division. Division lemma. So first of all, when first we divide any number, divisor, जब हम डिविजर से किसी भी डिविडेंड को डिविजर से डिवाइड करेंगे, इफ रिमाइंडर इज 0, सो डिविजर इज द HCF. हेयर वी चेक इट कि इट इज 0. वी डिवाइड, दिस इज द लार्जर नंबर. 12,576 is greater than 4,052. So we put this inside. 4,052. So क्या होगा? Multiply by 3, 6, 5, 1 and 12. Subtract करेंगे. So this is the first step. ये क्या हो गया हमारा? It means 12,576 is equal to 4,052 into 3 plus remainder. This is the remainder. So इसमें क्या है कि ये हमारा remainder आ गया. So is it 0? Remainder. This is not 0. Therefore we again divide. Up now, this is the part of A and this is part B. First, this is A and this is B. Again, A and B. Again, we will divide. 4052. इसको अब हम डिवाइड करेंगे किससे? 420. 420 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये कितने चलेगा? 9 टाइम्स चलेगा. 37. सब्ट्रैक्ट करा 7, 9 minus 7 is 2. So this is not equal to 0. So we can write the 4,552 is 420 into 9 plus 272. Is it 0? No. So we again divide. This is the second step. Now third step, 420 divided by 272. सो किससे चलाएंगे? 1 टाइम चलेगा ये. 8 148. This is the remainder. It is not again 0. So we write it 420 is equal to 272 into 1 plus 148. Again, fourth step. What is the fourth step? 272 divided by 148. So it is again divide 148. 1 time चलेगा. 4 6 2 and 1. So what is the 148? Sorry, 272 is equal to 148 into 1 plus 124. So it is not 0. Again we will divide. Fifth step हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? 4 2. So 148 is 124 into 1 plus 24. Sixth step, similarly, sixth step is 5 times. One 24 is equal to 24 into 5 plus 4. Again, seventh step is 24 divided by 4 is 6. 24, and this is equal to 0. When it comes the 0, so what is the remainder? Divisor is the remainder. जब भी हम HCF निकालेंगे, if divisor first time divisor will be 0, so the HCF is divisor. If it is not 0, we will divide again and again till it becomes the 0. So this is the method. How can we find out? So now you see in these numbers, how can we take the prime factorization and find out? It is quite difficult. That's why we will use the Euclid division algorithm. Let us see the another question. Examples देखेंगे. A sweet seller. Another question is, let us see a sweet seller. Seller has 420 Kaju burfis and 120 Badam burfis. She wants to sell, to stack them in such a way that each stack has same number. And they take up the least area. In the tree. So what is the number of that can be placed in each step. So in this, देखते ही हम क्वेश्चन को अगर हम ध्यान से देखें तो हमें क्या है, HCF फाइंड आउट करना है. सो वी कैन फाइंड द HCF in which there is the 420 and 120. Which is greater? 420 is greater than 120. So again we use the same method. First step is 420 and 120. So क्या आएगा, 336 or 60. So 420 we can write it 120 into 3 plus 60. 60 is not a zero. So again we will take in the second step 120 60 2 or 120 60 sorry 120 is equal to 60 into 2 plus 0. So here is the remainder is 0. So what is the HCF? HCF is 60, or we can write the number of 60 burpees in each stack. We write 60 burpee in each stack. So in this manner we can find out the HCF. So now we will do these questions. You do these questions.